My name is Miss Jasmine.
Hi, Miss
Hi, Ms. Jasmine.
Hi. And today I am teaching you algebra. I'm teaching you how to solve two-step equations. So my first question is, do you guys know what a variable is?
No. What is it?
Okay. So a variable is an unknown number that we are trying to solve for. So in each of these equations, the variables are what is written in red. Okay? So the purpose of these equations are to try and figure out what that quantity is. Okay? So I'll show you how to do that in all of these questions. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Okay, so we are trying to find out what x is. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to isolate this term. We need to get this term by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of anything extra. So that is this plus 4. So how do we get rid of a plus 4? We're going to subtract. So what you do on one side, you have to do on the other, so it's equal. So when you subtract this addition, you get rid of it. Okay, so that is going to leave you with 2x equals 16. So now you are still trying to find what x is, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to divide this 2 because it is being multiplied by the x. So you're doing the opposite of what is happening to the x. So because this is being multiplied, you are going to divide it. So this is me dividing by 2. So you get rid of it. You divide the 16 by 2, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that means that in this equation, x is equal to 8. So we are going to do number 2 now. You'll notice that the variable is a different letter, but it is the same way. It's the same process. So what you're going to do is you're going to subtract, because this is being added to the variable term, you're going to subtract 5 from both sides because everything has to be equal on each side of the equation. So what you're going to have is 3y is equal to negative 21. Okay? So now what you're going to do is, because the 3 is being multiplied by y, you are going to divide by 3 by both sides to get y by itself. So then what you're going to do is you are going to get y, and then you're going to divide negative 21 by 3, and then your answer will be negative 7 for this equation. We have 2 more examples, okay? So this is the exact same type of problem. So what you're going to do is you're going to add by 5 because the term with the variable is being subtracted by 5. So you're doing the opposite on both ends of the equation. So what you're going to have is 6x is equal to 7 plus 5. These things are canceled out. 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12. Okay, 6 is being multiplied by x. So in order to get rid of that 6 times x, we're going to divide by 6. And that is going to give us 6 divided by 6, it cancels out. So you're going to have x is equal to 12 divided by 6, which is equal to 2. So I have a trick for you guys to remember this concept. So I need you guys to lift your hands. Okay, so what you're going to do is x to the left. Okay, so what you're doing is this. Say it after me. Repeat after me. Okay, ready? Ready? X to the left. Okay, so what this is doing is you are moving the variable, which in this case is x, and you're moving it to the left. So you can figure out what what x is equal to on the other side. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you.